Good morning. Today's Terrific Tuesday. It's September 15th, 2020, and it's day 21 of our school year. And today is double cheeseburger day. Yum, yum. So if you can, try to eat a double cheeseburger today to celebrate. All right, so we're going to go on to our morning meeting. So we're on our first page. Remember, you need to try to do, should be watching me if you clicked on here. And daily check-in, please do that every day. Some people's not getting it done every day, and that's how I take my attendance, so that I know you're here. Please always do that first thing before you do any work. All right, after this, you'll need to go to the Pledge of Allegiance, and you click on the video here and watch it as if you're right in school with those kids in that video. Let's go to the calendar. All right, so let's recount our numbers and see what we need to add for today. So you count with me, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 is what we're going to move up. All right, so you'll do that on yours. Now let's go to this calendar where we're going to say today is, we said it's Terrific Tuesday. And that made yesterday be Marvelous Monday, and tomorrow is going to be Wonderful Wednesday. If you forget the order of the days of the week, right here you can click on here and go listen to a song to help you remember it. Now today's date, we first start with what the month is, and we are in the month of September, and we said today's date is the 15th, so we're going to move a 1 and a 5 over. And then we talked about how we're going to write it the correct way. So we'll come down here and click on the pencil, draw a little dot with a little tail for the comma. Then make sure we come down here and get the pointy hand back so that we can move the year of 2020 down. Now, the last thing we're going to do on this page is this is the blank day of school. We said it was the 21st, so we moved down the 21. But we're not quite done because we don't say this is the 21 day of school. We say it's the 21st. So which one of these three does that? The ST. This is the 21st day of school. All right, so this is how we do this slide. Now let's move to the next one. And I give you a hint for what day it is right here. So we're going to build the day with base 10 blocks. We said, no, we're not up at the 100 yet. Remember yesterday when we said it was 20? I'm going to go back and I put 10, 20 down for 20. That's what we had yesterday. Now we're one day more of that, so we go like 20, 21. Here's 21. So if I do another one of these 10 rods, I've got 10, 20, 30. No, can't do one of those. So I'm going to come down and bring a 1 up. So let's count 10, 20, 1. And that's where we're at. Okay, we're done with the base 10 blocks now. Now remember yesterday we said that a quarter was not enough. It was too much. 21 is less than 25 because it has a value of 25 with a quarter. So no, we can't go there. So let's go down to our dimes. And remember we talked about a dime is like the value of one of the 10 rods. So for every 10 rod we could do a dime. So let's get that. 10, 20. So we're not going to do another dime because we didn't do another 10 rod. And we only added 1 here. So would I add one of these? Nope, because this has a value of 5 cents. But could I add one of these? A penny. What's the value of a penny? It's 1, just like the one over here. So this is 10, 20, 1. Just like this was 10, 21. And we're done. That's all we do for this page. Now let's go to time. Time for time. Now, where is the digital time for 7 o'clock? We've got to fix our analog clock to match that. So this short hand is the hour hand for the first number in front of the colon. So we're going to move it over, and we want it to point to the 7. There we go. And this is our minute hand. And o'clock, 00, means it's the very beginning of the hour. And the hours always start when this minute hand is at the 12. Here is 7 o'clock because it's a whole hour all the way around, and when it gets back to the 12, it's a brand new hour again. Okay. Now let's go to our next page. So on our journal, you're going to do your writing and drawing in your journal on the paper. Then you're going to take a picture of it and then record yourself reading it. And then I found this National Cheeseburger Day, September 15th, and here's a picture of a cheeseburger. Okay. Now let's click on page 8 for our journal. And it says, what did you do to make someone laugh? I made someone laugh when, and then you'll finish it. And then I didn't have a lot of room for a period, but you'll put a lot more. But you may have to go to another line. That's fine. Remember your date code, and the 09 stands for the 9th month, which is, if we count them up, it's September. And today's the 15th, and the 20 stands for the short version of 2020. And your directions are write in your journal, post the picture of your journal page here, then record yourself reading in journal. Some of you keep forgetting to record yourself. Remember, that's part of what you need to do for this. And then when you're done, just click that says finished, and you can come up here and click the green check when you've done everything on this. All right, so I'm going to go back to just me, and I hope you have a terrific Tuesday and hopefully get to enjoy a nice, scrumptious double cheeseburger today. Bye.